In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quiz in Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to quickly set up a quiz using a pre-made template, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser, and make sure you're signed into your workspace. Once you're on your main Notion page, look for the option that lets you browse templates or add-ons. This is usually called the Marketplace or Template Gallery, and it's where you can find ready-made setups for different use cases, including quizzes, planners, and academic tools. Go ahead and click on the Marketplace. This will open a new view with a search bar at the top and a collection of featured templates below. Give it a moment to load if your internet is a bit slow. Once everything has loaded, move to the search bar so we can look for the specific quiz template you want to use. In the search bar, type in Academic Quiz. Be careful to type it correctly so the right results show up. After you've entered the text, wait for the search results to update. You should now see a list of templates that are designed for quizzes or academic purposes. These might include study tools, flashcards, or full quiz systems. From the search results, look for the template that best matches what you need. Take a second to read the short description or preview so you understand how it works. When you've found the academic quiz template you want to use, click on it to open the detailed preview page. Here, you can usually see example questions, how the database is structured, and any extra features like scoring or tags. If you're happy with this template and want to use it in your own workspace, click on the button that says Add or Use this template. Notion will then create a copy of that template inside your workspace. This might take a moment, but once it's done, you'll see your new quiz page ready to customize. From there, you can start editing the questions, answers, and any instructions so they match your subject or topic. You can rename the quiz, change the layout if you'd like, and add more questions as needed. And that's all it takes to make a quiz in Notion using a Marketplace template. Open the Marketplace, search for an academic quiz, select the template, and click Add to bring it into your workspace.